Your daily routine relies on a steady flow of pure water. But when issues arise, it can disrupt everything. Leaky pipes can be a warning sign of bigger problems, like corrosion or poor installation. Contaminated water? It's not just unpleasant, it could be a health risk. A reliable filtration system is key. Hard water wreaks havoc on fixtures. A water softener can save your plumbing and appliances. And don't overlook your water pressure. Regular maintenance of your system prevents frustrating drops. Keep your water flowing smoothly. Contact Gold Star Plumbing and Drain at 480-300-4007 for expert water treatment services in Gilbert, Arizona and surrounding areas.